So the sun here, it's either on the Tropic of Cancer, which is these two arches will always be doing small laps above the Tropic of Cancer, the red tropic, the red line. The equator is here, so anybody on the earth that's at the equator, that's where the sun, when the sun is in Aries or Libra, but that's tropically. Sidereally, it would be the Tropic of Aquarius or Leo. So when the sun is in Aquarius or Leo, that's when the sun will be above your head if you were at the equator. Now, if you were at the Tropic of Capricorn, the sun will be directly above your head at 12 o'clock. When the sun was in Scorpio Scorpio, that's the Tropic of Scorpio now. So the sun does smaller laps in summer above the North Hemisphere, does wider laps when it's in the Aries or when it's in the vernal and autumnal seasons, and during winter the sun would be doing its biggest lap when it's in this Tropic of Capricorn. So it's branching out from here, then bigger, then bigger. This is how the sun is observably doing its path. This is what we can observably prove, that the sun is really doing this. Smaller ones and it's higher, and then bigger ones when it's lower. And this is actually a focal point. So when you have a magnifying glass, that's the focal point. That's the analemma shape that the sun is doing, because it does smaller laps and bigger laps, so it's smaller at the top, bigger at the bottom. So this is true. The sun is just a focal point, like holding a magnifying glass, and this is the dome, which is the magnifying glass, and it's pointier as it gets to the top, wider as it gets lower. The old prime meridian was marked by the Great Pyramid run through the Nile River, but now it's here. This is the 0 longitude, this is 0 latitude at the equator, so that's 90 degrees north latitude. This is 90 degrees south latitude on the flat Earth.